Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, hi, welcome, my name is Laura. And today I'm going to be doing something that might be stupid, but I'm going to be reviving, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to hopefully be reviving a broken false eyelash. So if that sounds interesting at all to you, please keep on watching. Before I forget, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button. That will give you a notification every time that I upload. I upload videos about 2 to 3 times a week. I do mostly makeup videos. I do some hair videos because I dye my hair relatively frequently. And then I'm also going to be doing some fashion related videos hopefully soon. So if that sounds interesting at all to you, please subscribe. I'm also on other social media. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Loria1. I post mostly artsy pictures of me, travel photos, and food. So if that sounds interesting, feel free to follow me there as well. And without further ado, let's just get into it. So I have one eyelash left of 2 from the Ardell Faux Mink. Is there a style on here? I thought there was. Okay, so it's the Ardell Faux Mink false lashes. The style is number 812. I absolutely love these. They're so pretty, so natural looking, but also soft and voluminous. So I really like those. Unfortunately, I am a complete klutz, and when I was cleaning these, I pretty much broke the band that the lashes are attached to of this one's twin. I was able to get 1 or 2 more wears out of it before it just completely snapped. And this one is holding up actually pretty well, but I don't want to throw it out because it's a perfectly good lash. So I heard that you can cut a false eyelash in half and then wear it sort of as to add a little bit of drama to a look without doing full glam. So I'm gonna try that and see if that works. I'm just gonna apply it towards the outer edge, so to give it a more cat eye look, which will go with my very dramatic wing liner that I have on today. So I'm like super nervous. These have actually been sitting in my drawer and now on my desk for several months now, waiting to do something with them. So it's still a perfectly good lash, and it would suck if it went to waste. So I'm gonna try this out. Worst comes to worst, it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna take a pair of nail scissors. These are cleaned, sanitized, all that stuff. And I guess I'll just cut this in half. How am I gonna do this? Because I just have like floor in front of me. I don't have a desk. Okay, well, I guess we'll make the best of this. So I'm just gonna, I guess just like measure where half is. Okay, so while my camera was trying to autofocus, I actually accidentally cut it. So the way that this style of lash is assembled, there are groups of lashes that are tied together, I guess, or somehow attached to a clear plastic band, and there are gaps in between the clusters to make it look more natural, to sort of simulate the way that lashes actually grow on your eyes, or whatever, on your eyelids, I guess, whatever. The lash area, to sort of simulate that. I actually accidentally cut it, but I wanted to cut on the gap area because that way you want extra space on either end of the lash clusters, so like sort of on either end of the band, I guess, because otherwise your lashes will fall off, because that's what's sort of holding them in place. So that's what I wanted. I wanted space on the end of the lash for the lashes to just stay on to the band. Okay, so let's just get into the video now. I'm gonna apply them and see how they look, see if I've managed to save this one lash that I've turned into 2 now, and we'll see if it makes a cute look. So let's just get into it. So I'm not fancy like other YouTubers, and I'm just using my fingers. I don't have a lash applicator. Almost applied this to the wrong eye, so good thing that I'm waiting for this glue to dry, and that rhymed. Okay, so you can see a huge gap over here where I might have accidentally ripped out some lashes from the band, but I think that actually makes them look more natural and more like fluffy. Oh, I actually really like these. I forgot how much I like these faux mink lashes. Kind of want to buy more, but they were so annoying to clean because the band is so thin. Okay, I actually really like the way these look. Ooh, I am a huge fan. I really like these. Okay, so I'm just going to try and darken up the band over here because you can see the plastic. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I definitely recommend this hack to anyone who wants to take a dramatic lash and tone it down a little bit, or to someone who's clumsy like me and just has a tendency to break false eyelashes. This is a super amazing hack, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. And follow me on social media. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Loria1. And I will see you in my next video. So this is the end of the video. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I think it looks really nice, really classy. I mean, these lashes before looked really great, and I'm honestly really upset that I broke them. So I'm glad that I still have one and that I can still get use out of the one surviving lash. So I definitely recommend this hack to anyone who wants to take a dramatic lash and tone it down just a little bit, or someone who's clumsy like me and has a tendency to break lashes. This is a really great trick, and it looks really nice. It's actually, I think it might be easier to apply half lashes than full lashes just because you're only working in one area. I don't know, maybe that's just me. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Loria1. And I'll see you in my next video.